All right, guys, welcome to the shop edition of Tim Short Classics. Doing this video for a special customer and any customer that would be interested in buying this vehicle. It's a 46 Ford. I thought I did a walk around on it the other day, but I didn't. So I'm gonna go ahead and do one now. 46 Ford Super Deluxe, 84,000 mile car with the original flathead V8. I'll pop the hood here in just a second. There's a lovely wife doing things on her phone. The interior's been done on this car. Floor mat's crooked. Straighten the floor mat up. Top's nice. It is missing one like button screw here that I can replace. It was like it when I got it. This thing fires right up. Make sure I'm in neutral. Push button start. Well, just like a little choke to it. Well, it's got a switch right here. I actually wasn't hitting right. Switch is you got to turn the key on, flip the switch up, let that barrel come in, and it holds the on position up. And when you shut it off, it just turn the key and it kicks back down. So we got the gearbox inside. Ah, 54 Chevrolet we're getting done right now. Oh, I got the choke on still. No, I don't. I was wrong. It's not been started in a few days. Inside the trunk. Car's been restored. Looks like one repaint that I could find. A little tie here on room. Anybody need a Hudson roof rack? Work to about any model. We go on some rat rod that we'll have come in and pull on. Probably had my finger in this, probably in the photos or in the video 10 to 12 times already. I do apologize about that because I do it from an iPhone and I'm not very camera savvy. By white walls. Let's open up the door over here. This came with the car. I guess it made a local paper or someone, Christiansburg, Virginia. That's where I got the car out of. Let's get down so you can see underneath. No bubbling in the rockers, quarters, door panels, doors. Paint's a really quality job. Someone did a great job with it. See if I can pop the hood. It's always hard to do one-handed, but I'll give it the old college try, even though I didn't go to college. Wow, easiest one I've opened today. Still running the 6 volt. I put the battery in it the other day. Battery is weak. Got a disconnect on it. I usually keep it disconnected if it says anytime. This has been a car that I've not really been in a hurry to sell because with the local shows and cruises and stuff, it's just a good eye catcher to draw attention to the business. But it is time to sell it. Peak season of the year for convertibles. So we thought we'd put it on the market and send it to a good home. If you're into this, if you're interested in this car, you can look me up at timshortclassics.net. You can check us out on Facebook at Tim Short Classics, or you can look up my personal page, Sean, S-H-A-W-N, and Cindy, C-Y-N-D-I. That's our personal page. You can find us on TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, all under Tim Short Classics. So if you like, just give me a call, give me a text, 606-225-3225, or 270-790-7534 is my cell phone number. And again, thanks for looking. Hope you all have a great day. God bless.